Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trending black and white video overlay on CapCut PC that people use for like a high quality video edit. So I'm just going to select this video, go to library, I'm going to add in a white stock video, freeze frame that. I'm then going to just enlarge it a little bit, and I'm also just going to rescale that. I'm also going to add in a black overlay, again freezing the image, the video, and I'm going to scale that up. Then you're just going to want to go mask and select horizontal, and I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees the other way, and I'm basically just going to mask that a lot, like so. Select both the overlays, right click, create compound clip, and then you can go to blend mode and select the overlay, and it's going to create this overlay that people have been using. Yeah, that is it. Basically, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!